welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel, thank you also for tuning in. Please do make sure to click on the subscribe button and also put on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload from me. So for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you what I did to my DIY lace closure wig. If you've not seen my previous post, I will advise you to go to my channel and watch my previous post. So for this hair, I really don't like the curls, I don't like the texture of the hair, so I decided to straighten it. So that is what I will be doing here. You see me straightening the hair.
So much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already leaving. You're always talking, you're leaving. I've been saying I'm ready, but I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons so you can keep tripping. All we doing is catching up, cause you already got booed up. I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who isn't gonna love nobody? So much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you.
So when I was done straightening the hair, I still really don't like how the hair came out. It doesn't have any shape to me. I don't like it at all. So I decided to go ahead and cut. So I'll be cutting this wig into a bob. Yeah, that is what I'll be doing now. So I don't know what happened. Maybe I wasn't recording, or maybe I think my phone went off or something happened. I don't know. When I started cutting, I realized that my phone wasn't recording, and that was why you didn't see the part where I started from. But this is what I'll be doing, cutting it into a bar shape, and yeah.
I can do so much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. Feelings, he got you all in your feelings. But do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety? Well, baby, come try me. You always tell me to look you up, so why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else you gonna love? Nobody. So much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already leaving. You're always talking, you're leaving. I've been saying I'm ready, but I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons so you can keep tripping. All we doing is catching up, cause you already got booed up. I've been dreaming waking up with you in my arms, wrapping these hands around you.
So when I was done cutting the hair, I used my straightener to give it a little bit of bump, just to give it that bob look.
I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Tell me why you went and boot up. Touch my body, Mariah Carey said, ain't nobody that's keep sweat. And I wanna be with you till the end. I wanna be a man. Baby, are you ready? So much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already moved up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you're already moved up. He got you all in your feelings, but do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety? Well, baby, come try me. You always tell me to look you up, so why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else you gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Now it is ready.
This is how the hair came out. This is how the hair is looking when I was done with it. Like, guys, I really like this hair like this. Do you prefer it in its normal texture, that curly texture, or you like it in this bob form? Just put a comment down below and let me know. For me, I love it like this, and I'm really looking forward to wearing this wig. It looks so cute and nice. So guys, I'll just go ahead and spray the hair with my Got To Be blasting spray, just to give it, you know, a little bit of hold.
Hey, he's body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me. You want murder me. She said she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So pack it up and put it on a brother.
So guys, I went ahead to wear the wig, and this is how the hair is looking on me. Like, guys, you don't have to break the bank to slay. You don't have to break your bank to look good. You can actually slay any cheap hair. It depends on the way you carry yourself. Like, everything is packaging. This hair is so cheap, like really cheap. It only costs $20, guys. It is packaging. Yeah, you don't have to break your bank to look cute, to look good. Even you can be wearing fake makeup and still look, you know, smashed. Don't mind me, I'm just kidding. Don't use fake products on your skin, yeah? But actually, like, seriously, you can use fake hair and you still rock. And yeah, I'm just feeling myself. Like, the hair looks really good. It's cheap, yeah, it's synthetic, yeah, but I'm feeling myself. like feeling myself. This hair looks really good, like seriously. Wow, I'm just feeling myself. Yeah.
You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl,
Still in the spirit of feeling myself, so I decided to put the left side behind my ear, and it looked really nice. So this hair is so beautiful, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as I did filming it. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below to let me know how I did, and also share my videos with family and friends. And guys, please subscribe if you like what you are seeing. Subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me, she did murder me. This body, baby, oh, Vicky's bad man, I see. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way